Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Government floats tender for ambitious Deen Dayal Health Insurance scheme to cover up to 447 types of ailments, cover up to 4 lakhs per family per year. Goa Meat Complex will make alternate arrangements for meat sale as a contingency plan. Gives 4 days time to 10 traders to open shops. On eve of Holi, Prudent brings to you traditional Goan shikmo with native colors and flavors. Diarrhea creates panic in Satari. Illness claims life of a lady. 4 more hospitalized. And Kakulo win over Sarvodaya Royal by 40 runs, rekindle hope for making it to finals. Sunny Patel smashes maximum sixes, adjudged man of the match. And now the news in detail. Government's ambitious Deen Dayal Health Insurance will cover 447 types of treatments. 99% of the ailments are covered by this scheme. A Goan family of 3 will get a cover of 2.5 lakhs, while a bigger family will be covered up to 4 lakhs per annum. Beneficiaries can increase the cover by paying surplus premium amount. Every family will get this scheme by paying maximum 300 rupees. Scheme will be implemented from April onwards.
BJP government has floated tender for its ambitious scheme, Deen Dayal Health Insurance Scheme. The scheme will cover 447 types of health treatments. 99% ailments will be covered under this scheme.
दीन दयाल सांगपाक म्हज्यान तुका तितकें सांगूं शकता हांव 447 इंटरव्हेन्शन जालें. हितून कितें आहा एक चॉयस तुका आमचे हॉस्पिटलां आमी नोटिफाय करतले ह्या अमक्या हॉस्पिटलांत तुमी ट्रिटमेंट घेवं येता म्हणजे तुका सुविधा गावता काणकोणा ट्रिटमेंट करचो की जेम्सन करचो पळय तुका सुविधा सर पयशे फिक्स आहा सर ओके सर अमाउंट फिक्स समज तूं एसी रुमान रावतलो की वॉर्डान रावतलो ती तुजी मर्जी.
This insurance scheme will be divided in 2 parts. Family of 3 and less will get a cover of 2.5 lakhs after paying premium of 200 rupees per month. Family of 4 and more will get a cover of 4 lakhs after paying 300 rupees per year. But ST, OBC and family with physically disabled will get 50% off. If any family wants extra cover, then it has to pay surplus premium amount. Goa Electronic Limited will manufacture smart cards required for this scheme. The renewal fees paid by the beneficiaries will be credited to GEL. Government will pay the insurance companies. This scheme will cover primary, secondary and tertiary health services. It will also absorb sub-district and private hospitals. Government primary health centers will be excluded. After the implementation of the scheme, health centers will host programs like polio and other health awareness programs. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with reporter Babesh Borkar for Prudent.
Goa Meat Complex will make alternate arrangements for meat sale as a contingency plan if the traders do not open their shops. There is sudden shortage and non-availability of beef in the state. On one hand, the FDA has issued notices to the illegal traders when the traders are unable to get the animals due to nakabandi by the NGOs. 32 traders are registered with the Goa Meat Complex. Meanwhile, government-run Goa Meat Complex has given 4 days deadline to the traders to open their shops.
If in the next 3 to 4 days, if they do not bring beef and open their shops, then the Goa Meat Complex will be forced to supply beef in the state of Goa.
There is sudden shortage of beef in the state. Animal lovers and activists are demanding complete ban on illegal animal slaughter across the state. Registered traders with Goa Meat Complex claim that transportation of animal is stopped by the NGOs at Karnataka border, leading to shortage of animals.
The government of Goa is kind of not in a position to take any action against them because their actions are reported to be outside the state of Goa. They have been blocking these vehicles and troubling the beef traders.
Meat traders claim that due to illegal transportation of animals, their business is affected.
There are certain unscrupulous elements in this group. They have been apparently bringing uncertified, unhygienic meat, which has kind of given these NGOs an upper hand. And because of which, even those traders that are bringing certified meat are facing the brunt.
Meanwhile, the FDA has issued show-cause notices to the 45 meat traders for operations without their valid license. Meat traders claim it to be a harassment on one side by the NGOs and on the other side by the FDA. Ultimately, Goa's markets are facing acute meat crisis. Omkar Falari and Dinesh Karpe for Prudent. They sing, they dance, they enjoy. Yes, Gaondongri Barsa Khankon has somehow managed to maintain the traditional meal during Shigmo festival in the state. Youth as well as old take part enthusiastically in the tradition. Here, have a look at the unique culture and tradition kept alive from last many years.
ऑल गांवचो आमचो शिगम्या मेळ बारसवाड्यावयलो शिगम्या मेळ आमी एकादशीक मेळ भायर काडटा आनी सबंद गांवडोरी पंचायती क्षेत्रांत आनी तशेंच भायर केपें मतदारसंघातल्या कांय गांवांनी आमचो मेळ घेवन आमी वयता आनी आमच्या मेळाक मुख्य वेळीप आनी 5 वांगडी म्हणजे देवकारी हे आमच्या मेळा बरोबर आसता.
कितले भुरगे आसा सादारण?
आमच्या मेळाक जवळ जवळ 83 लोक आसा. पयली आमची जो पारंपारीक जो शिगमो जावन आसा वडिलोपारची जो आमी शिगमो करीत येता त्याच पद्दतीन आमी आज पर्यंत ही आमची संस्कृती गांवचो खेळ गांवचो मेळ आमी अजून पर्यंत आमी टिकून दवरलो आसा.
आतांचे तरणाटे येता शिगम्याक काय फाटी सरता येवपाक?
कोण?
आतांचे भुरगे जे आसा.
आतांचे भुरगे हो शिगमो म्हणल्यार तांकां एक सामकी शिगम्याक 1 म्हयनो म्हयने 15 दिसां पयलीं स्फूर्ती येता आनी प्रत्येक वाड्यान आमचे 2 वाड भास एकच आमचो गांव पूण आमी 2 कडेन रावता तेन्ना आमी 15 दीस म्हळ्यार आमचे भुरगे सामके तांकां शिगम्याचे साम फुरफुरी येता आनी आमी पयलीं गांवांक घराकडेन तोणी मारची नमन घालचे पयलीं खूट मारता आनी त्या खुटांचेर आमी प्रॅक्टीस करता आनी भुरगे आमचे थंय त्या खुटांचेर आमी तयार करता शिकपाक.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.